To maximize the potential of decentralized finance, there are a few simple techniques. But how can you make money with cryptocurrency using DeFi? Hello, this is Fiat Bear, and we'd like to welcome you back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and switch on notifications to be notified of each new upload. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has a lot of advantages for newcomers who want to get involved in the rapidly developing ecosystem. Furthermore, the most remarkable feature of DeFi is the opportunity to earn passive money through it. Users can deposit crypto assets in secure decentralized protocols in exchange for passive income on the assets deposited. For extracting value from their assets, crypto users have recently turned to passive income creation approaches. In the 3 years since DeFi's beginning, many new sorts of DeFi passive income generation strategies have evolved. In the DeFi landscape, you'll find a variety of decentralized protocols and smart contract applications that provide unique opportunities for passive income. The ability for anyone to enter the ecosystem is the most intriguing part of decentralized finance, or DeFi. On top of that, there are essential characteristics of DeFi that distinguish it as a distinct financial intervention. DeFi has given rise to a slew of new income-generating opportunities. Thanks to its wide set of benefits and dangers, participants can interact with financial products and services in several ways because of DeFi's decentralized characteristics. Furthermore, the DeFi ecosystem is constantly growing with each passing day. As a result, DeFi is generating fresh ideas on how to invest in DeFi for a profit. DeFi users, interestingly, don't have to go through many complicated steps to make passive revenue with DeFi. Staking, yield farming, and lending are all ways to earn passive income with your digital assets in DeFi. How can you earn with DeFi? Here are some ideas. If you're looking for information on how to earn passive money with DeFi, you might be able to discover some information quickly. DeFi's growth has simplified financial services as well as the procedure of earning positive returns on digital asset investments. On the other hand, DeFi does not provide any get-rich-quick techniques for increasing the value of your assets. You must have a thorough understanding of topics such as automated market makers, or AMMs, and the fundamentals of blockchain. You should also have a good understanding of how to communicate with crypto wallets to use DeFi passive revenue production methods. You can interact in different ways to generate passive income on your crypto assets, even if you only have minimal knowledge. Here are the 4 most important strategies for earning passive money using DeFi. Lending is first on our list. One of the most common responses to the question, how to earn passive income with DeFi, is to lend. It is the most widely practiced DeFi activity, owing to the early DeFi protocol's emphasis on lending. MakerDAO, for example, was one of the first projects in the DeFi ecosystem, focusing on lending protocols. Surprisingly, the notion of loans in DeFi is pretty straightforward, and you may easily identify passive income opportunities. You must lock your digital or crypto assets in a smart contract and lend them to the platform. Borrowers can then use their assets as security to access the deposited assets like loans. Borrowers must repay the platform plus interest on the loan. The interest is then distributed to ledgers based on the percentage of their assets locked in the platform using smart contracts. For a variety of reasons, crypto lending is one of the most reliable methods for generating DeFi passive income. DeFi lending is a simple and basic technique that is equally simple to apply. You may use smart contracts to lock in your tokens for lending purposes. When you want to return the tokens, you can also unstake them. Higher interest rates are the next crucial aspect of lending as a solution to how to invest in DeFi. In comparison to standard bank accounts that pay interest, DeFi lending can help you earn larger annual percentage yields, or APYs. You might, for example, study more about Compound, a popular DeFi lending protocol, and uncover some fascinating details. The crypto lending company is currently offering any APY of over 8.1% of your funds. In addition to enforcing interest repayments from collateral deposits, smart contracts act as mediators or facilitators of loans to borrowers. Okay, buddy, we sincerely hope you are enjoying this so far. If you are, please give it a thumbs up and share your opinions in the comments section below. If lending isn't your thing, perhaps staking is. Another popular option for how to get passive income with DeFi is staking, which is the process of users locking their tokens in a smart contract and earning more of the same token. In the context of staking, the token often refers to the blockchain network's native token. In the case of the Ethereum network, for example, ETH is the native token. Staking is used by several DeFi services to assist customers in opening the blockchain equivalent of a savings account. Your platform's asset balance, like a savings account, can let you accumulate additional income. The additional income is provided by the network in the form of awards in the blockchain's native tokens or other tokens on the same blockchain. Staking, which gets its origins from networks that use proof-of-stake algorithms, provides a credible path for passive income in DeFi. The proof-of-stake consensus process essentially means that platform users will stake their assets in the platform. The platform compensates users with tokens in exchange for the trust they have exhibited in the network. Furthermore, users' governance privileges are determined by their entire contribution to the platform in the form of stakes. The privilege of validating network transactions would be given to users having the biggest stakes in the network. Staking is more than simply a technique to earn passive revenue with DeFi in this situation. It is critical to persuading customers to keep their assets locked in DeFi platforms for longer periods. Users that invest their assets in the platform will be rewarded with a portion of the net revenue. Another appealing feature of staking as a DeFi passive income generator is that the majority of DEXs with AMM systems allow users to stake native tokens. This type of facilitation is commonly referred to as a savings option, and it can assist in earning a portion of the cash earned by all DeFi systems. Swaps on liquidity pools, for example, can earn fees for investors. Let us now turn our attention to your third possibility, assuming the identity of liquidity providers. The third tried and true method for generating high levels of passive income with DeFi is to provide liquidity. With the use of automated market maker or AMM protocols, many prominent decentralized exchanges such as Yearn Finance and Uniswap have proven profitable. Order books, which were used in traditional exchanges, are not used in DEXs. DEXs, on the other hand, provide liquidity pools made up of token pairings with evenly dispersed values. The equal value of token pairings has laid the groundwork for trading markets on DEXs, as well as providing a viable solution for how to invest in DeFi for a profit. Liquidity pools are open to the public on a DeFi platform, and anyone can provide liquidity to them. With the basics of liquidity pools in DeFi, you can learn more about how liquidity pools lock in equal values of certain token pairs. You might be wondering how you can make passive money by supplying liquidity in DeFi. You would obtain LP tokens or liquidity provider tokens after locking in assets in a liquidity pool. The LP tokens represent a single user's part of the whole liquidity pool. The LP tokens can be redeemed by investors to recoup their position as well as the revenue made through swaps in the trading pair. With a portion of swap commission or charge, liquidity providers can find a customizable response to how to earn passive income with DeFi. The platform calculates the swap fee that should be awarded to an investor based on their portion of the liquidity pool. Liquidity providers in DeFi platforms can earn significantly higher APYs, but are at a significant risk. As a liquidity provider, you'll face the additional danger of temporary loss, which you should be aware of. Because of the huge volatility in the price of pooled tokens, the impermanent loss is readily visible. However, under the DeFi passive income strategy of providing liquidity, you can take the appropriate safeguards to handle the risk of impermanent loss. Liquidity providers could alleviate worries of temporary loss by offering a variety of high liquidity pools. Liquidity providers, on the other hand, can opt for pools that use stablecoins or assets with lower volatility. Last but not least, there's yield farming. The most typical response to the question how to invest in DeFi is to focus on yield farming. Yield farming is intriguing since it provides liquidity while also serving as a stable source of passive income in DeFi. You acquire LP tokens when you supply liquidity to a DeFi system by locking your assets in it. You have the option of keeping the LP tokens and redeeming them for a refund of your original bet and additional benefits. You might, however, go for yield farming and discover a fantastic way to generate passive money. You could use LP tokens to lock them in yield farms, which are essentially DeFi protocols, and collect rewards in the same or different tokens. Yield farming, as well as the technique of providing liquidity, have a lot in common. Yield farming, on one hand, is limited to LP tokens. As a result, if you wish to generate passive income through DeFi yield farming, you must first become a liquidity provider. Another important feature of yield farming is the need for adequate due diligence on the DeFi platform in question. Due diligence procedures can aid in the detection of any anomalies in the platform. You can also protect yourself from rug pull frauds, in which developers compromise LP tokens to withdraw money from DEX liquidity pools. As a result, it is reasonable to use reputable yield farming platforms with a good reputation. Which one do you believe is the best? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. That concludes today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and enable notifications to be notified of any new uploads. The Fiat Bear is here, and we'll see you in our next videos.